Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of booking a car rental on Turo, the popular peer-to-peer car-sharing platform. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create an account. To get started, you need to create a Turo account. Go to the Turo website or download the mobile app. Click on Sign Up and fill in the required information, which includes your name, email address, and password. Make sure to verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Set up your profile. Once your account is created, you should complete your profile. Provide essential details such as your phone number and driver's license information. This will help build trust with car owners and streamline the booking process. Step 3. Search for a car. With your account set up, it's time to find a car. Enter your desired location, pickup date, and return date in the search bar. You can filter results by price, type of car, and other preferences like amenities or mileage. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll need to complete the payment process. Turo accepts various payment methods, so choose the one that works best for you. Ensure all payment information is entered correctly to avoid any issues. Step 9. Communicate with the owner. After your booking is confirmed, it's important to communicate with the car owner. You can discuss pickup details, any questions about the car, and any specific instructions they might have. Step 10. Pick up the car. On the day of your rental, go to the designated pickup location to collect the car. Make sure to inspect the vehicle for any existing damages and take photos for your records. This will help avoid disputes later on. Step 11. Enjoy your ride. Once you have the keys, enjoy your ride. Follow all the normal driving laws and treat the car as if it were your own. Step 12. Return the car. At the end of your rental period, return the car to the agreed-upon location. Be sure to refill the gas tank if required and clean the interior if necessary. Inspect the vehicle with the owner and address any concerns. Step 13. Leave a review. Finally, don't forget to leave a review for the owner. Sharing your experience can help future renters and contribute to the Turo community. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content. Happy renting! Step 4. Choose your car. Browse through the listings and select a car that fits your needs. Click on the car to view its details, including photos, owner's description, rental price, and cancellation policy. Pay close attention to the reviews and ratings from previous renters. Step 5. Check availability. Make sure to check the car's availability for your desired dates. If the car is available, you can proceed to the next step. If not, consider looking at other options or adjusting your dates. Step 6. Review terms and conditions. Before booking, review the terms of the rental. This includes the mileage policy, fuel requirements, and any additional fees. Ensuring you understand these details will help avoid surprises later. Step 7. Request to book. If everything looks good, click Book Now or Request to Book. Depending on the owner's settings, you may be instantly approved, or your request might require their approval. Step 8. Complete payment.